going on, Game Time? Game Time? Talking to myself? What's going on? Nothing much. I'm just sitting here about to open some cards. Thanks for asking. I'm opening, this is another one of those, I don't want to call it a mega box. It's not a mega box. It's a Fat Pat box of 2018 Elite Draft Picks. I opened one of these not too long ago, and it was the autographs. You get several autographs in this. The autographs were pretty average, but it's a really nice way to stock up on some rookie cards. I ended up with a good number of Saquon rookies and Baker Mayfield rookies, and I was just really happy to kind of add some more, be able to add some more of those to both my collection and my store. I usually don't advertise too much, but I do have links below. If most everything that's like crazy good, you'll probably see it in my eBay store, which is linked below. I also I'm working on filling up my Sports Lot store. You're going to see more and more and more stuff in that store as time goes on. Alright, let's get into this. It starts off with some of the vets. Jameis, AP, Fournette, Coach, Herschel Walker, Barry Sanders, Marcus Allen, Dak Prescott, and a Connor Williams die-cut parallel. And there is a Saquon primary colors. Quadri Henderson, James Washington, there's a Baker. Fumagalli, Hurst, Lazard, Goddard. There's a lot of cards in this break, so I'm going to try to go pick up the pace a little bit. I'll try not to make this take too long. Looks like we got an autograph here. Tom Brady, Joe Namath, Nick Saban, Ronnie Harrison. Little Bama action there. It is a die cut to 25 too. Man, I'm going to debate whether to sell or keep this one. I liked him. And 25 is a sweet looking card too. To think about that. Marcus Dupree, die cut parallel. Sam Darnold, primary colors. Andrews, Washington, Landry, Wadley, Wea, Hurst, Rashad Penny, Foster, Justin Jackson, and John Kelly. Alright. Woodson, Sue, there's Derrick Henry, Spurrier, Favre. Here is a Sam Hubbard rookie. What is this? Aspirations parallel. Christian Kirk Elite Series. Gallup, Cobbs, Schultz, Petway. There's Josh Allen, Goolsby, Payne, and Rosen. Anthony Miller and Ronald Jones II. So no Saquon action yet. I see Baker there on the back though. Witten, Amari Cooper, Le'Veon Bell, there's Kamara. Have a Deatrick Nichols. Deatrick. It's just a base autograph. And then a James Washington Aspirations parallel. This is a Passing the Torch Steve Spurrier and Gary Beban. There's Bradley Chubb, Cortland Sutton, there's Saquon, and Baker. This was a really good pack as far as rookies go. Ozzie Newsome, Butkus, Mack, White, Cook, Lewis, Reed, Simeon. There is a Dick Butkus parallel. College ties, Fournette and Geis. Foster, Jackson, Kelly, Goolsby, Ron Payne, Ballage, Kaseki, Freeman, Burnett, and Pettis. Trubisky, Carr, Sean Alexander, John Hanna, Bo Jackson, Matt Ryan, Tim Tebow, and Christian Lacouture? Lacouture? I don't know. I do know. James Washington die cut. Deontay Burnett, Chain Reaction. There's Josh Rosen. Miller Jones, another Saquon. Mason Rudolph, Josh Allen, Ronnie Harrison, Arden Key, and Connor Williams. Another decent rookie pack. Alright, Russell Wilson. Quadri Henderson parallel. Passing the torch, Derrick Henry and Lamar Jackson. Another Saquon. Yeah, these jumbo packs are really good for prospecting. And you can get some decent autographs. You usually don't get anything too great, but you can get like some super short print autographs. It's like I got an autograph in this pack. It is Brandon Faison. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4. I think you get 6 in this. Oh, wow. A Baker Aspirations parallel. That is a sweet little pull right there. And a Baker College Ties with D.D. Westbrook. Holy smokes, that was sweet. Better than an autograph for sure. Those are not numbered, but still a sweet little pull. Alright, Zeke, Julio, Peyton Manning, Drew Brees, Tom Brady, Ozzie Newsome, and a Saquon Chain Reaction. Josh Rosen, another Saquon. Wow. Josh Allen, Bradley Chubb. Not bad at all. Thomas, Dede, Dane, Saban, Deshaun Watson, Keyshawn Bierra. I don't know Keyshawn Bierra. And a Derwin James die cut parallel. Josh Rosen primary colors. Let's see our rookies. Alright. We have 2 packs left. It's much better to buy these in the box than to get these off the shelf. I got a couple of loose packs off the shelf at Target, and man, they were beat up. So, wow, and then a Josh Allen status die cut rookie. A nice little box as far as parallels. It's a nice box in general. Although my autographs have been kind of stinky. Josh Allen. Josh Rosen. Alright, last pack. If I could get one, I don't know, that Ronnie Harrison autograph wasn't too bad. But not too great either. If I could get one, well, I got one more in here. Let's see if it's anybody we know. There's Carson Wentz. It is Matthew Thomas. And it is a base autograph. Florida State. Roger Staubach parallel. Oh, sweet. A Baker Mayfield Elite Series. Mason Rudolph. Josh Allen. Kirk Rosen. That is it. That was a fun box to open. This is a lot of fun. Lots of cards. Lots of good rookies. Oops. About did my drop thing. 2 good parallels. probably, I mean, it's kind of like, is it Contenders that you're not, yeah. Kind of like that, and that you're not going to probably get a ton of good autographs, but the chance is there. I mean, it's there for you. And this box no longer costs, you know, all that much, so it's a fun little break. All right, thanks for watching. I'll be back soon.